Hey, it's Brian from Alltest Instruments, and I have something a little different for you today. At Alltest Instruments, we help provide the tools to innovate and invent life-changing technology. But we realize that business is more than that. You may need help with more than just setting up your lab bench. You may need assistance with business development strategy, marketing, or management. I would love to introduce you to the marketing and sales strategy engine for Alltest Instruments. And those are our partners at Brerro. We've received a lot of positive feedback from our customers about our marketing content and our campaigns over the last few years, and the hard data supports that. We've seen increased email click rates through our email campaigns. We've seen over 10x increase in website traffic, and it has led to year after year after year of record-breaking sales at Alltest Instruments. Now, a ton of credit goes to the Alltest team for their hard work, but it could not have been done without our partners at Brerro. If you like working with Alltest and you've liked working with me, then you're gonna love Brerro. Full disclosure, Brerro is me. I'm on the team. I co-founded Brerro during the pandemic with a partner of mine because we have a passion helping entrepreneurs and small businesses grow and thrive. Alltest Instruments is only one of the businesses that we've helped at Brerro. We've worked with everybody from classic car dealerships to counseling centers to schools to implement good and productive content marketing and business development strategies going forward. We'd love to learn how we can help you and your business. Please reach out, give a call, text, send an email. We are selective about our clients and we do have limited time, but we'd be happy to make some time for a free discovery call to see how we can help you achieve your goals and keep your business headed in the right direction.